Dad spent a good part of the day here today getting everything into place for the blue Narrow Gauge 1959 Bombardier. He just tried turning over the engine. Everything's got power here. He's got the tanks back in.
I hope I'm in neutral.
He's got the rear lights switched over into the proper way it's supposed to be. And he's got the new plastic behind the gas caps. He's got the tanks in. Fuel pump is in. The other tank on this side's in. He's got... sorry?
All the hoses are on.
All the hoses are on. Everything's mounted up on the side.
It should start now. I just want to make sure that I'm neutral.
Okay. And he's just checking in here. Yeah, he basically just sat down this morning. Not sat down, but sat down and started doing this. And he hasn't had any visitors or disruptions all day. So he was able to put a full day in on getting everything back in together. And some of the Bombardier owners will understand this. Is like there's only so much space in here for working and getting what you need to get done. And sometimes you just don't have that extra space for to go in there. So he wanted to be able to get in there by himself and get this work done. So still has a few other things to put in here. Probably like the shut-off switches on both sides, or maybe that's one right there. There's another one over there. I think he has to move that to the down below yet. Yeah, we'll check in with him when he gets back here.
I mean, for gas?
Yeah.
Because they got a lid that you open and close?
Yeah. Dad likes the Gatorade bottles. You wash them out, put some gas in there, and they're handy for him. And
no chance of fire then.
Yeah, it's good sturdy plastic. There it goes. Just kicked in.
New plugs, everything, so we'll see what happens here.
That's a new carb too, right?
New carb, yeah. But this is the first time I started, so everything is dry.
Yeah. Okay, well, that was closer.
Switch tanks in.
So it's starting and kicking out.
It's airlocked. sure that it takes the pumping.
Because Dad just said he might have pulled the line out just to make sure that the tank is pumping.
Because if it's not getting gas, it's not going to run. Like I got the hose going down so that we don't lose our prime, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like his fuel switch up there, but that's where they had it. Must have worked.
Like you said on a previous video, you were going to move it down though, right?
Yeah. Well, that's it for today.
Okay, Dad's been at this probably 7-8 hours here today, so he's going to take a quick break. But actually, kind of shocked to tell you the truth at how much work Dad's been able to get done on this, because it's not unusual for a Bombardier to be in the shop 2-3 months, and the customer only rolled this in, I think it was March, maybe April. So he still has to put in the shifter, put the floor back in, finish off the power steering.
All I have to do is put the shaft in, the power steering, and put the steering wheel on. I got a little bit insulating. I want to make sure all this is running good.
Yeah.
Put the insulation back in. Put the floor in, and it's pretty well ready. I'm not putting all that shit in though.
So this is the customer. This is his wife's Bombardier. So it's got to be in top working order, because she's not going to be doing any mechanicking out in the field. So that's the instructions from the customer, is to make sure that it's working as top notch as possible. And there's your update. Kitty's coming over to inspect everything. Check out his Bombardier.